Well, one of the big things that Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party is known for is astute political guerrilla warfare, and that is what's happened. Just on the eve of this mega rally at the Ramlila Maidan, most roads that lead to the Ramlila Maidan have been dotted with those posters that you can see on your television screen. I want to cut across. We still have Brijesh Pandey, deputy editor, right outside Ramlila Maidan. We also have our senior news editor, Sanket Upadhyay, holding fort right outside, getting you the ringside view of all the developments taking place. Sanket, I want to ask you, while you were making your way to the Ramlila Maidan, how many of these posters did you see on your own?
Well, Preeti, that's exactly what I want to show you right now. In fact, if you see right behind me, there you have Narendra Modi, you have Amit Shah and a smiling party worker over there from the Delhi unit. This is the poster of Satish Upadhyay. This is the poster of the Delhi BJP unit. You have, these little pamphlets being distributed, these posters that have been put for the BJP. Now that's understandable. There is a BJP rally. Ashwini is now going to show you of how the Aam Aadmi Party has very strategically put their poster as well. Now we're just waiting for this truck to actually clear the way. There you have it. You can see this poster. 5 saal Kejriwal, ghar ghar ko saaf pani. So he has very strategic, and this, by the way, is a bus stand right outside the main gate, the VIP entry.
Right.
There is another such poster that has been put by the Aam Aadmi Party on the gate from where Narendra Modi is supposed to enter. So it's very strategic, Preeti. It's very strategic.
Right.
And it's not just the Aam Aadmi Party, even the Congress has done the same. Use bus stands to actually put these posters out. So it's a sort of a, campaign war. Poster war.
Right.
I've heard that there is a jingle war on radio also between these political parties. Never before, Preeti, have you, me or anyone else who has been living in Delhi for a considerable amount of time has seen a battle won for the national capital, for the elections in the national capital so loudly and so aggressively.
And it's also fairly symbolic because when you look around, and that's what you see in Delhi also, Sanket, don't you? That now it's a direct battle against the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP. It is Arvind Kejriwal and against the BJP because Narendra Modi might be the face of this campaign, but he is going to be the Prime Minister. And most polls have also shown it. And there's a general opinion that Arvind Kejriwal, as a chief ministerial candidate, and we're not talking about the party here, is popular.
Absolutely. I mean, many people may think that his antics are too much to deal with, but, there is a definite point when you say that he is popular, and particularly in the areas which were considered Congress strongholds. I'm talking about areas, the Juggi Jhopri areas, as well as the lower middle class areas in New Delhi, which is a sizable population and a sizable, if I may use the word, vote bank. The Aam Aadmi Party is very popular, and that is why numbers explain them. Last time around in December 2013, the Aam Aadmi Party was 28, the BJP was 32. Despite 32, the BJP found it very hard in the subsequent year to muster up the courage and also to find alliance partners. It's a known secret. It's a known secret in the national capital that the BJP has made efforts under the leadership of Mr. Satish Upadhyay to actually look for people so that they can form a government. They failed. And that is why subsequently you have fresh elections. We are aware of all those initiatives that were taken by the BJP. So yes, Aam Aadmi Party in general and Arvind Kejriwal in particular does enjoy some amount of popularity even now, and that is what has the BJP jittery. Remember, it's a prestige battle not just for the BJP and Narendra Modi because he wants to win a sizable number of seats. It's also a prestige battle, almost a do-or-die battle for Arvind Kejriwal because his political existence depends on how he is going to perform in this assembly election.
You're right there. It does seem now as a battle between the silver-tongued former chief minister of Delhi and the magician with words, Narendra Modi. Continuous coverage. 11 o'clock is when this rally begins. About noon is when we are expecting Narendra Modi to take the dais, but a lot going on the sidelines, and Trust Headlines today to keep you one up on all developments.